Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming quick prerequisites: software up to date and enough battery. Once done, open the camera app and immediately swipe to portrait mode. This engages depth sensing by default. Make sure the subject stands within about 0.5 meter to 2.5 meters so the iPhone can detect depth reliably. Move closer or farther until the yellow portrait indicator appears. Hold the phone steady and tap your subject to lock focus and exposure before you compose the shot. Next, refine the look. Tap the F control to simulate aperture and increase or decrease background blur. Smaller F gives less blur, larger shows more separation. Then swipe portrait lighting presets to choose mood and slide intensity to balance highlights and shadows. This affects skin tones and edge detection. Make sure Smart HDR or photographic styles are set the way you like. They influence color and contrast. While composing, watch edges for clean subject separation. Adjust angle or, when ready, press the shutter firmly and keep steady. In low light, use a tripod or enable night mode if available. After you capture it, open Photos, tap Edit, and you can fine-tune depth, crop, or alter lighting. Portrait depth is adjustable post-shot. If the subject edge looks wrong, increase the distance slightly, switch to a higher contrast background, or avoid backlit scenes. These fixes help the iPhone's depth map. If problems persist, restart the camera app and retry the shot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.